Hello everyone. I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Free pizza anyone? Yes, you heard it right. Domino's is offering a free pizza, and in this video, I am going to show you how you can avail of this offer. So, without further ado, let's get into the process. Getting a free pizza from Domino's is easier than you think, but there's a catch. Only qualifying orders made through Domino's reward account are eligible to get a free pizza. So, all you need to do is sign into your account to order a pizza, and as a result of a qualifying purchase, your free pizza code will be delivered to you. Remember, to earn a free or an emergency pizza, you need to make a separate purchase. According to Domino's policies, customers can earn up to 2 emergency pizzas, the code of which is redeemable for up to 30 days. Well, that's it. Now you know how to get free Domino's pizza. For more how-to hacks and tech updates, subscribe to my YouTube channel.